Magandang araw mga mag-aaral! Welcome to another lesson in Special Filipino class. Now that we know the two parts of a sentence and the two order of sentences in Filipino, it is important now that we can identify what part of speech is each word to be able to understand a sentence well. This lesson will be very useful when you are trying to translate English sentences to Filipino and vice versa. So, are you ready? Then let's begin. Let's discuss the basic today about names or nouns. Filipino, mga pangalan. Please note the difference between name and noun in Filipino. Name is pangalan. P-A-N-G-A-L-A-N with single N-G. Noun, on the other hand, is pangngalan with double N-G. So, ano nga ba ang mga pangalan? Ito ay maaaring pangalan ng tao o ano pa mang bagay na may buhay tulad ng mga puno at halaman. Maaaring tumutukoy din ito sa mga lugar, pangyayari, ideya, o emosyon. Katulad sa Ingles, meron dalawang uri ng pangalan. Pantangi or proper noun in English at pambalana or common noun in English. Do you remember their differences? But how will you identify these nouns in Filipino? Don't worry, it will be easy. Thanks for the help of noun markers. In our previous lesson, you have already learned about si, sina, ang, and ang mga. These noun markers mark nouns used as simuno in the sentence or subject. Aside from si, sina, and ang mga, we also have the noun markers ni, nina, and nang mga. These noun markers mark nouns used as a direct object or possessive noun. Let's look at some examples. Arthur is eating mangoes. How do you say this in Filipino? First, you have to identify what are the nouns in the sentence. The first noun is Arthur. Arthur is used as simuno or the subject in the sentence. So, in Filipino, what noun markers will you use? So, it will become si Arthur. Is eating in Filipino is translated as ay kumakain. Another noun found in the sentence is the word mangoes. This is used as the direct object, so what noun marker will you use? So it will become ng mangga. Si Arthur ay kumakain ng mangga. Another example, Amy's pencil fell. How do you say this in Filipino? What is the subject in the sentence? Amy's pencil. In Filipino, what noun markers will you use? To say Amy's pencil in Filipino, you have to say ang lapis ni Amy. The main subject in the sentence is the word lapis or the pencil. And the owner of the pencil is Amy. So to say this in Filipino, you say lapis ni Amy. Amy's pencil. But since this is a subject, you have to put the word ang. So it became ang lapis ni Amy. The word fell is ay nahulog. Ang lapis ni Amy ay nahulog. We also have the noun marker sa mga, which talks about places. For example, ako ay nag-aaral sa Pilipinas. What is this in English? Now, try to identify the nouns in each sentence and then translate them in English.